Last week I learned of research showing empathy, caring about the other guy, is very important for an individual's success in life. Evidently, it pays to be a caring person. It's interesting to note that these researchers thought compassion for another results in likability, which then in turn brings success. In contrast, a group of psychiatric diagnoses called personality disorders are all about the lack of empathy. Of course, the whole story is extremely complicated, but to generalize about people with these diagnoses, one can say these individuals have an impaired ability to think about and be considerate of the other guy. It is believed that these people have incorrect self-image issues and a dysfunctional response to stress. The cause for such a troubled life is likely a combination of an inherited personality type and because of inconsistent or too little discipline, as well as too little or too much attention as a child. Well, to make matters worse, those with personality disorder do not seem to learn from their mistakes or to learn that their behavior is errant, possibly because their self-image is so wrong and entirely different from what others see them. When they do seek medical care, they usually want help for a secondary problem such as depression or anxiety or alcohol drug abuse, or, well, not because they realize how bad their behavior has been. This weekend I had the joy of spending time watching my cousin's grandchildren, and it struck me that a self-centered way of thinking with anger and belittling of others is normal for children. That being considerate of others is something hopefully we grow into as we mature, and that the most mature and self-actuated adult even feels the joy of another's success. A friend who helps drug addicts and alcohol men recover pointed out to me one time that the most important lesson for these impaired men is to help them realize it's not just about you. In this sometimes cruel and competitive world, it is nice to see research support for the golden truth that it pays to be a caring person.